I'm Marina, representing Assessa. Assessa is a Brazilian company already in the market for 47 years. Our catalog is 100% vegetable sourced. We are very much focused on the sustainability cause. It's the beginning of Assessa, and it's a must for us in all of our raw materials. We have mostly a very beautiful story behind them, with a lot of good benefits proved. Okay.
Done.
Oh. So we are specialized in the development and production of highly effective bioactive ingredients only for the cosmetic industry. This is our new plant in Rio de Janeiro. We have a very nice multidisciplinary research program where we have more than 20 senior scientists working in different research centers. The commitment with sustainability is the beginning of Assessa. Assessa is a family company, today the second generation in power, and the dad of Daniel used to be a researcher of seaweeds, and he started mapping the seaweeds of Brazil, and he got into this beach in the northeast of Brazil that is called Praia da Baleia. Since the 70s, we work together with the community, helping them grow themselves, and they help us grow our business. We are the first company to research and produce ingredients obtained from Brazilian seaweeds, the first company to use tropical seaweeds in cosmetic ingredients, the first company in Brazil to adopt the principles of green chemistry to produce its ingredients, and the first Brazilian company to export cosmetic ingredients obtained from tropical seaweeds. Not only from seaweeds, but our sourcing comes from other ingredients. One of our values that we love a lot is the upcycling. For hair care, our styling products are all coming from upcycled via. We use the flax seeds for Lisellini and Curvelini, different fractions of the extraction, and the Quattro is made by Kia. We buy the cake. So the food industry, they press the first oil out. We buy the cake. We developed with the help of the 20 the multidisciplinary centers. We developed a technology where we can extract not only bioadhesive proteins, for example, but also omegas, which will make the raw materials more active and pleasant to be used. When we look into our hair care catalog, we divide it in repair, treatment, prevention, and styling. Hair care in Brazil is taken very seriously. In repair, we have Cortex Bag, Plugin GS, and Aquasalina. The styling is made by Lisellini, Curvelini, and Quattro. Treatment is composed by Ormagel XPU, Algavit, Kitidat, SRC, Florian Rose, Kitidat, NWA, Multipix Coco, Actimus GA20, and Frulix Line. And prevention is composed by Fiber Detox, Color Hold, Ormadry CLC, and the star product of the day, Ciplex, that was launched last week in the Cosmetics Latam. Let me know if I'm speaking too quickly, please. So everybody that already bleached its hair or knows someone that bleached the hair knows the love and hate relationship with the chemical process. We love being able to express ourselves with our hair, but at the same time, everybody loves shiny and healthy hair. Bleaching can be very damaging in different levels. We will have dryness, freeze, breakage, a change of texture, and damage. Most of these are due because we rip off the protection layer of the hair. We open the scales of the hair and make them very prone to breakage, brittleness, and okay.
It's okay. We are close inside now.
So Ciplex is an innovative natural ingredient that is biodegradable and combines the power of seaweed with amino acids and peptides. It's suitable for all hair types and will prevent problems caused during the bleaching, like damage and porosity, the change of texture and the structure of the hair, and will treat minimizing the consequences in a care line for dryness, breakage, and split ends. The seaweeds are rich in bioactive molecules, minerals, and essential nutrients for hair health that will deeply moisturize and protect the hair in different ways. Here we talk about sun damage and pollution. Amino acids and peptides are building blocks of protein that will penetrate the fiber, replenish the destroyed amino acids, repairing and strengthening the hair. When we decided to launch Ciplex, it's a product that is in our R&D for a long time. And when we, before launching a product, we tested a lot. And we tested in salons and we tested inside of Assessa until we are happy with the results. If it's not there, we will wait until we are satisfied. And that's why we are launching Ciplex only now. Took a lot, but we are very happy with results. So Ciplex here for anti-damage action was tested during the bleaching process, and the resilience and elasticity of the hair treated with Ciplex after bleaching is similar or closer to a virgin hair. And what we are going to see in the results of the test is that the hair treated with Ciplex, it's always closer to a virgin hair than treated with the leader product in the market, than the one treated with the product in the market. So here, hair treated with Ciplex has a 48% less deformation than hair treated with the market leader in the same applied tension, making the hair more difficult to break. The anti-porosity action or protection of the structure was also tested during the bleaching powder. Here we see again that Ciplex is closer to virgin hair. And the amount of energy needed to evaporate water from hair treated with Ciplex is slightly higher than virgin hair, showing that the porosity is similar and the hair was less damaged than the one not treated with Ciplex. When this test is looking for the energy needed to evaporate the water. More porous the hair, more water retained, more time needed to evaporate. The anti-breakage action was tested against placebo product. In this case, we could not test directly against the leader market because we don't have their product to apply in formulation, and we could not formulate the same formulas that they do. So we needed contra placebo. And breaking tension is the force required to break the strands of a lock of hair. Treated hair showed 67% more strand resistance when compared to placebo treatment after only one application. The test was made with shampoo and conditioner with Ciplex at 1% and leave-on with Ciplex at 2%. The prevention of split ends was also tested in a care routine. Ciplex reduced the formation of split ends by 51%, or maybe half of it, you can say. The antifreeze action was amazingly significant, and we had a reduction of 72% for up to 72 hours, which proved one more time the capacity of protecting the structure of the hair. These are some pictures where we can see the tresses treated with Ciplex and market leader versus control. One of the problems that can arise when you treat the hair with the market leader is the capability of opening the tone of the bleach. Here we started an investigation that I'm going to dive in now. First, I need to tell you a little bit about fiber detox. Fiber detox is another raw material that we have, another very active ingredient for detoxifying the hair. It's gonna take out the heavy metals and also avoid the new uptake. We were able to prove that treating the hair with fiber detox before bleaching it, you are able to achieve 2 tones higher. So when we combine fiber detox, just a point, it's missing here plus fiber detox. So you know. So we were able to put more stress to the hair, and at the same time has less damage and more 1 or 2 tones higher. So here we pre-wash fiber detox. We pre-wash the hair with fiber detox shampoo at 5%, and we use the Ciplex and the bleach powders, saying that we are able to keep the hair with less damage and a more open tone. The DSC and DMA tests were performed to measure hair damage and deformation versus appliance stress. It was possible to observe that the fiber detox plus Ciplex combination continues producing better hair results than the control. Here we can see the ink name, aqua, hydrolyzed rice protein, hydrolyzed soy protein, sodium carrageen, algin, glycine, sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate. Those are some usage levels suggestions, and also with what we tested. Maybe I was too quick.